It's,
No, I can't take pictures. Because you have to take pictures. No.
let me put this.
Right now. Later, I'll be able to photographer right now. Use this thing. Digital hand. No, because they've used it for lighter foundation and that, so everything can transfer. No, use it.
So now. Now, even supposed to say something to your husband on this camera.
Yeah.
Okay. Just can we have the total silence? Just few seconds. Say something quickly on this camera. Why are we here today? It's like, what did you speak loud? Okay.
Hi everyone.
Make sure you loud because you say something very nice.
Oh, today is my wedding day.
Speak loud.
Today is my wedding day. Igwe, my love, finally. Finally, my love, finally. It's a perfect day. I wish for a day without no rain, and I got it for my sake and for my husband's sake. Guys, celebrate with me. Yeah, today it's Lolo's day. Join me, celebrate. Bye, Igwe. Many years to come together. Many years to come.
How to join him?
Yes.
Did you call her?
Yeah. Wait. It's so nice. I don't want to believe it. Wait. Flash it together. Yes!
We go.
Yeah, let's go.
No. I don't take picture with
Hold
you.
on.
Not now.
No.
Wait. We are late. It's 10 o'clock. Wait.
Okay. That's picture. Okay.
Pretty, give me that airport. Yes, I'm live. Give me that airport. The white one. Yeah. Bring it along.
You look stunning.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Wait.
Wait for you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Very much. Okay, she's your flower again. Where's your flower again?
Now you. Again.
Which flower?
Go now.
You go. No, I'm follow you at the back.
Go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Lolo. Congratulations to her when I see her marriage just now, her court marriage. Hey, she take people for as they speak that English, she take people for her well. Hi my people, I am so happy for her. When I know when Lolo talk say he never married for years, social media they not let her rest. They say why she go talk like that, make it bring it head, make them beat her. Say she never married ever since. Now she thought say she never married for years. She not talk say they never put money for her head though. She can't bring all the proof. Our auntie where they accuse her, we not see but Lolo bring all the proof everything when they marry for Nigeria. So now Lolo come tell say he not get money. Anybody wey want donate money for him, make them come donate for him. I know say he never marry. So more can't donate money. People come they say okay, they go donate. So my people, because in next year, some man they go put her. My greatest surprise just now I see say Lolo they do marriage. If they dress, if they wear a wedding gown, they go court, may they go do their wedding. My people, hey, this one shock like it's shock. I am so happy for her. People too, you see, you see this life. It good maybe they really surprise people really. I am so happy for you, Lolo. Congratulations to you because the insult where you receive this period not be small one. I am so happy for you. Congratulations. I'm gonna put the video make una see my people. I am so happy for her. Bye.
No, I can't take pictures. Because you have to take pictures. No.
Let me put this.
Right now. Later, I'll be able to photographer right now. Use this thing. Digital hand. No, because they've used it for lighter foundation and that, so everything can transfer. No, use it.
So now. Now, even supposed to say something to your husband on this camera.
Yeah.
Okay. Just can we have the total silence? Just few seconds. Say something quickly on this camera. Why are we here today? It's like,
Hi everyone.
Make sure you like because she sings very nice.
Oh, today is my wedding day.
Speak loud.
Today is my wedding day. Igwe, my love, finally. Finally, my love, finally. It's a perfect day. I wish for a day without no rain, and I got it for my sake and for my husband's sake. Guys, celebrate with me. Yeah, today it's Lola's day. Join me, celebrate. Bye, Igwe. Many years to come together. Many years to come. Mm.
I want to join him.
Yes.
Did you call her?
Wait. It's so nice. I don't want to believe it. Wait. Flash it together. Yes!
We go.
Yeah, let's go. No.
I don't take picture with
Hold on,
you.
hold on.
Not now.
No.
Wait. We are late. It's 10 o'clock.
Beautiful park.
Wait.
Okay. That's this picture. Okay.
It's my
Pretty, give me that airport. Yes, I'm live. Give me that airport. The white one. Yeah. Bring it along.
You look stunning.
Thank you.
Mama.
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome.
Wait.
Wait for you.
yeah.
Oh.
Very my shirt. Okay, she's your flower again. Where's your flower again?
Now you. How again? Oh shit.
Which flower?
Go now.
You go. No, I'm follow you at the back.
Now go where you're talking. I love you this so. Go. You don't carry that your talk which my language now. Okay.
No, you can't go here. Just wait.
Wait.
Right, Mama, can I have the slippers? I want any slippers on my leg.
Yeah.
I just need to put it. No, that's fine, Mama. Thank you. You look stunning anyhow.
I hope so. Everything just happened so fast.
So fast. The time,
So
everything.
fast.
All right, start going then.
That's going.
Sir, does this door open?
Open the
Please,
second
can you
one.
open the both doors? Yeah.
Hey, I asked for dry day and I know my dry
Oh my
day.
God, beautiful.
I asked for dry day.
Wait, Lolo.
Would pick it up for me. Yeah, thank you. I asked for a dry day. I go where they say I should wait.
Yeah, you need to stay forward, yeah? So the cameraman.
No, no matter. Come now.
Come now, where you did
No, you stay there first. Stay there.
Come.
There's no space here to come out. Oh.
Stay for back.
No,
Stay inside.
They treat me.
No, come my daughter. Come. Never mind, daughter.
Thank you.
And roll.
Thank you, mommy.
Roll. Okay. What you're supposed to hold this camera for me, this video.
Okay, just
Come and
go.
take it. Okay, come and take it.
Quick.
Let me turn it. I've turned it. Then just focus it on me. Yeah, my life. Go and stand in front of them, please.
Right.
So which direction am I going? Okay, that's our car
go
there.
Underneath this place, so you
I
have
can't
to
go the grass.
Yeah, you have to go this way.
Okay, hold on. I thought we were going that car.
No. Which
Our
car?
car is there. No, not this car. The other car at the back.
Right. I think they need to move that car to where you guys are because you can't walk down there. Right. You need to stay here while you're doing your live video.
Man, I hold it way and come here. Come closer. It's my day. 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 Oh, it's my day. I don't have a gum. He is asking for gum for himself. It's my day. 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 Hello, everyone. It's my day.
It don't matter. Who wants to see you under your arm? Give over. Just move.
Is that the car to bring here, or this car should go away?
No, you were going to move that way. Go, go. Don't worry about it. Right.
Guys, carry it up for me.
Okay. You want me to
Come
help?
this way. Come this way.
You want me to help the vet?
Eating, go, 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 go.
Eating. Eating. Go, go, go.
Second, cameraman. All right. Man, I go and stand there, not my back. Oh, I love my bouquet. I love this bouquet. I love this bouquet.
Okay.
Yeah, you start going.
Start walking. Start walking. No, let's get it up.
Right. Go.
Man, I come here.